Here we have a roach. We'll get it to move around a little bit. And what we're going to do is spray some of our Nature's Way Bugman on this roach. And as you can see, it's dead.